City not just looking good, but staying perfect so far here to start day number 3.
Guys, we've made the comparisons, or we've heard Guilherme Marchi make the comparisons, Micah and Casio Diaz, and we've had question marks in our minds. Well, I think that the past 2 performances have answered a ton of questions for the bull riding world.
88 3/4 last night and 89 points today.
I really like that. You know the Outlaws had to be pumped to have that on the list. That's one of those, you know, who's the best lefty that we've got to put on there to do this matchup? Because those big scores, you know, like we said last night, it takes 2 of those average ones to beat that in this average situation. That's a big ride for the Outlaws.